Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to access every evaluation form in Pathways. There's a fantastic new feature, and what you want to do is go to toastmasters.org and log in. And this is so that you can access Pathways. Once that's processed, you go up to the top here and click on Pathways, go to Basecamp. Mine will look a little different because I'm a VPE of a club, but you want to go to Basecamp. They have redesigned this page and it is much more streamlined. To look at every evaluation form, you click right here, speech evaluations. It's fantastic, they're all here. If you scroll down, you see all of the wonderful forms in PDF. And say you're working on Inspire Your Audience. You can do on your keyboard a Control F and you can search the word inspire. You can do this with any of these eval forms based on the keyword. Now I'm going to theoretically work on Inspire Your Audience. You click that, you click launch, and the PDF downloads. It's wonderful. It is easy to find. You don't have to get all the way back into Pathways and click through everything. If you've already looked at your project but you forgot your eval form, this is where you want to go. It's much easier. There is also, you just click back and you can get right back to that page. There is also the way to access the forms through our club website. For Brunswick County Toastmasters, we use free ToastHost. You will come to our club page and log in. And for this purpose, I am going to log in as a guest. And I'll enter my password. And the way that you find these forms is to go to our agendas under members only. The key to this is you have to fill out your project details. And we have a few speakers. I am speaking as speaker number 2, and I have filled out the manual and project and all of that info, and it populates so that I can get to my evaluation form right from our website. So there's 3 ways to get your eval forms. It just depends on which way you like best. I personally like to fill out free ToastHost and just click my form, and there it is. The high performance leadership, that's my next speech. This is how you can do it through our website. And that would be, I'll give you an example. Say you want to sign up for a speech. I will be signed up as a guest for this. You choose your path. And of course, the easiest way to find your path is to hit this nice little collapse all button. I'm Innovative Planning, much easier to find it if you click that. Innovative Planning, say I'm going to give the icebreaker. You save your details, enter your title and all of those nice things that we do, but that your evaluation form is right there. So I do like free ToastHost, but you also can use the wonderful new launch page in Pathways that is speech evaluations. And that's it. That is how you can get to your forms, several different ways, whichever way you like. Make sure you get it to your evaluator and make sure they return a written evaluation to you. And we will see you at the next meeting.